Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devraj, and if you see the title, you'll see that my this video is about me showing you how to do make the country flags, not all over the world but some of them. So in this video we are gonna do three. Okay, so my father said this cube is not like um you can't see it well, like the colors. That's why I'm using this one. So the first country flag will be Japan. It's very easy. So first, go to the white side and do middle. If I say middle, then I mean this. So middle, upper, up, then go to this side and middle up. Go to the red side, do middle up, then go to the white side and do middle down, and go to the red side and do middle down. Then we got Japan. Let's do it in reverse. Let's do it in reverse. Mm, do it in reverse. And it'll be normal. So now it's India. So go to the blue side and get the orange here and get the green here. Then a white should be above. So white should be above. So then put the white down. Then take this blue middle away and take this up and take this blue middle back and do this for the same for the other side. Take it down and oh, take it down. Oh,
Keep going.
so take it down, then put it here and take it up and put it back, and you have it. So you can do it in reverse. Get it back. Okay. So the third is gonna be what should I like? So now I'll make Bangladesh. So it's same as Japan, just take the green, go to the green side, middle up, red side, middle up, and green side, middle down, and red side, middle down. So here. So, okay, this was the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Please like and hit that subscribe button. Help me make go to 1 million subscribers. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. I hope you have a wonderful day today.